You make a demand of $5 million to settle your case. The defense turns around, they offer you $25,000. What does that offer mean to you in your case? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now you suffered a very significant injury as a result of maybe a car accident, or maybe improper medical care, medical malpractice, or maybe someone in your family died because somebody was careless and negligent. And now you make a significant settlement demand of $5 million. And the defense turns around and says, yes, we've evaluated this case. We think your case is worth only $25,000. It feels like you get slapped in the face by the defense when they make such an offer. You're insulted. You're disgusted. How could they possibly offer you $25,000 when you know in your heart of hearts that your case is worth millions of dollars in compensation? What does it mean when the defense turns around and they offer you $25,000? What it really means is that they don't consider your case to be significant. What it really means is that they're giving you a lowball settlement offer in the hopes and the expectations that you will shake the cobwebs out of your head and recognize, according to them, that your case isn't really worth what you claim it to be. A $25,000 offer in light of very serious injuries and a $5 million demand is insulting. It's disgusting. It's offensive. It's better off if they turn around and say, listen, we're not going to offer you a dime. We don't think we did anything wrong. But as a token of our appreciation, we're going to offer you $25,000. You know what? From my standpoint, it's better if you didn't offer anything. Because the moment you make that offer, I now have to take that offer and relay it to you, my client, so that now we have to discuss it. And guess what's going to happen? They're going to be offended. They're going to be outraged that the defense has the nerve, the temerity to turn around and only offer $25,000. If they offer only $25,000, does that mean that they're never going to increase their offer? The answer is no. At some point during the litigation, or maybe at trial, they may recognize that this is a very significant case and may realistically offer a significant amount of money to counter the demand that you have made. But when they turn around, they offer $25,000 in light of a $5 million demand, that is insulting and it's extremely offensive. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you a sense of what actually happens in these accident cases and medical malpractice cases and wrongful death cases. It happens every single day. You know, I recognize you're watching this because you've got questions of your own about your own matter. Well, if you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for any one of those types of cases and you've got questions about your particular matter, and it happened here in New York, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.